Okay, we're gonna do something really special tonight. The thing I love to drink more than anything in the whole world is fresh made tomato juice. Made from fresh tomatoes, okay? But there's two secrets to making the best tomato juice you ever had. Are you ready? 1, 2. 1, you gotta boil your tomatoes. I'm not kidding. Boil them for 45 minutes. Then you can put whatever you want in there. You want to put pepper, celery, like my grandpa used to do, put a little clam juice in there. Sounds gross like clamato, but it's actually pretty good. And then number 2, more important than the boiling even, is you gotta dance and you gotta sing to your tomatoes while you make them, okay? So you gotta do it. Do it with me. I'm gonna show you how. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Come on, Loopy. Come on, girl. The radio star. We're gonna put the juice in here. Ow! Give me the top. What you're left with here is a bunch of pulp, but you can use it in your salads. So once you get that all smashed in there, you got a nice big pot of juice. Whoa! That's all your leftover pulp, but it is good. All right, so you got that. So now what we got here is a big old pot of tomato juice. Now you gotta refrigerate that for 4 to 5 days. So I'll see you in about a week. All right, so it has been about 3, almost 4 days. You're supposed to wait 4 days, but I'm ready to do it now. I can't wait for 4 days. Tomato juice that I made from scratch. Have it with me. Oh my God. That is so good. You're gonna take the celery, pepper, a little bit of hot sauce. Attack of the killer happy tomatoes. Taste buds are singing. Thanks for joining me.